So you might be in the situation where for some reason your Android phone is just not making any calls. Now, what does this mean? Well, maybe you're going through and trying to make a call within your Android phone, and for some reason none of the calls are going through, or some situation like that. Now, the very first thing that I would recommend doing here for the most part is going through and making sure that you have cell service on your phone. So go inside of your particular application, like your settings application, and just make sure that you have some sort of SIM card installed or some eSIM, or make sure that you have some sort of service. If you're in a no service area, if you're like in the basement somewhere, no Wi-Fi connected, anything like that, that can be an issue. So if there's Wi-Fi connections around you, I would recommend connecting to Wi-Fi and then try making the calls that way. Most cell phone providers provide Wi-Fi over cell or Wi-Fi or calls over Wi-Fi. So try giving that a try. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the problem, you can also try calling like a different number and seeing if it's an issue with that phone number or seeing if it's an issue with your phone. So try calling a different number, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Like I mentioned, for a lot of people, that might just be all you're really going to have to do, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now, if that's still not working, what you can also try doing is try updating your Android phone. So if your phone has an update available, this could have been an issue and it may have just been fixed if you just update your phone. So go inside of your particular settings application, scroll over until you find software update, click on download and install update, and all you're going to want to do is download and install the latest update that's available for your Android device. And if there's an update available, all you're really going to have to do is just go ahead and update to it, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are a few main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.